Strangely, boys getting into dance is not very often seen, but these boys have reached a very, very high level of proficiency in the art.
The youngest national award winner in the category of creative work in the art field, Buse Gowda, lost his vision when he was 6 years old. He is now one of the lead Bharatnatyam dancers along with 4 others. He now owns a travel agency in South Bangalore, which he started after he was denied a job in Canara Bank in 1997. He explains about the difficulty they face to get recognition.
Back in 1986, a dance teacher came into our school and taught us the folk dance for the annual day of that school function. And that folk dance really took off very well and we performed well, and that was the turning point to get into the full-fledged dancing. Year 89, I performed in Mumbai for an SEO, and there I got the award called Mayur for having danced without eyes in comparison with Sudha Chandra for having danced without leg, and she was called as Mayuri and I was called as Mayuri in those days. When we were approaching society, the organizations to get us an opportunity to perform, in the initial stages was a tough job for us, and we had a tough time to convince the people that even blind people can do the classical art form, can perform classical art form.
It is then when Articulate Abilities came for their rescue. This organization was started in 2011 to support and promote differently abled talent.
To begin with, we had 5 male dancers with us. We traveled across the world and we gave more than 1,500 performances.
Their talent has been recognized worldwide by major art enthusiasts and corporates. This gave them a chance to travel across the world.
United Kingdom and about 5 countries in European countries other than UK, Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, about 6 countries in Middle East, to name a few.
The way of teaching them dance played a huge role in making them professionals in the field of dance, which indeed is termed as challenging by the founding members.
What we do is, we do the expression and we make them touch our face and understand, and then they try to repeat it. Sometimes we psych them in a situation and mentally they go through that experience and then we freeze them. Okay, now see what is happening in your face, touch yourself, and then that is the face I want.
In their flight against the wind, Articulate Abilities has never bent down to government for aid, and the reason is well explained.
I have not got any recognition nor any support from them. Karnataka state government has a Ministry for Social Welfare and Senior Citizens and something like that. They have their office. We had an invitation to go and perform somewhere in Ranchi. So I went to the social department, met the commissioner or whoever, the director or assistant director. I said, see, we are a group of artists, they're all visually challenged, and then I want you to sponsor travel expense. I'm not asking for honorarium. And they said, no, we don't have any provisions.
The pursuit of Buse Gowda and the Talented Four continues, and Articulate Abilities became their brand of support, hoping this will be a beginning of change, beginning of a time when people will start looking for talent rather than disability.